Okay, so we had a bit of a fail. I left my helmet and my camelback on the bus. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the video. So I just got up. This was the stealth cam setup from last night. You probably weren't really able to see it in the last video. We are maybe like 2/3, 3/4 of the way up Mt Clarence in Albany. So we just finished the Munda Biddi yesterday and we needed somewhere to stay. We're catching the bus this morning and we're heading back to Perth. So I'm going to show you guys how all that works and just vlog the day really. I'll show you the setup. So we got the red tail outdoors tent set up on a tarp. Got the fly on it. It rained a little bit last night, but nothing too bad. Then I've got the bike here. I actually locked the bike through the spokes and also through the tent. So at least that way if someone tried to mess with it, I'd know about it. I guess I'm just paranoid because I'm from the city. And check out the view here. So you can see it's a pretty good view. It's actually, we're above the port, which is a little bit noisy actually. I can hear it. You can probably hear it now. It's been a bit of that all night, but it hasn't kept me up. And I'll show you the track we're on when we leave, just in case you guys need somewhere. I think I'd recommend this spot. Kind of comes around a bend so you're not exposed, and it's fairly flat at the bottom of a bit of the hill. Alright, now we're going to make some breakfast, have some oats. Oats are done. I'm going to climb back in the tent and eat these and try and get everything packed up after that, because we need to be leaving at like, I don't know, the bus leaves at 8, so we're packed up and ready to go. Got all my gear back on the bike here. I've pretty much organised everything the same as normal. When we get down to the bus, we'll put some stuff into the little backpack we've got. We're gonna get going, we're running late. So this is the track I came down. You'll know it because you'll see the power lines, and it's a pretty sandy track. There's this gate here, but you can just ride around it. 2 people walked past me this morning, but they both didn't seem too phased. Now we got to descend. I mean, it was a pretty sick spot to camp, let's be real. Alright, so this is where we can shower. We're gonna have to make this quick. Okay, I'm super glad we went and got cleaned up. Feel much better, and also it's gonna be a lot better for the other patrons of the bus. Now we've just got time to hit IGA for a snack, and then we better go over. We're sort of just on time. The hell? Oh no! Guys, you would not believe what just happened. I was like in a rush, hammering it to the bus. I locked my bike up at IGA and I was trying to unlock it and it wouldn't unlock. I was like, what the hell is going on? I looked at my keys nearly snapped in 2. Luckily it didn't snap in the actual lock because I do have a spare, so we got it undone. Alright, so we just got to Coaching up. I guess, I don't know, Perth's still quite a while away, I don't know how far. I think the bus does stop for a lunch break though. But yeah, check out the key. Hopefully you can see that. Might be a little blurry, but it's got a crack halfway through it. I'm so lucky that that didn't break off in the lock, because I tried to open it, it wouldn't open, and I sort of, forced it a little bit, but it felt weird, so I thought, no, I've got to like have a better look at this, and then yeah, I saw that when I did. And luckily I always carry a spare key, so crisis was averted, because if I couldn't get that unlocked, I would have missed the bus, and I would have had to probably go to a hardware store and buy a cordless grinder or something so I could cut the lock. It would have been pretty funny. So yeah, we're just chilling on the bus, listening to some D&D and making our way to Perth. So we're in Arthur River. I suppose the bus stops here for, I think he said half an hour. It's around lunchtime. So you get a chance to go into the cafe and the rest stop to get some food, use the bathroom, have a stretch and stuff like that. And you're allowed food on the bus as well. So it's about the most interesting thing that's happened. Okay, so we had a bit of a fail. I left my helmet and my camelback on the bus. So I've since called them and they told me that the normal process is I have to fill out a lost property form and then I'd have to get it the next day after they've cleaned it and collected it off the bus, and you collect it from East Perth. But she just rang me back and she told me they have my stuff at East Perth now. So I'm in the city, which is where I wanted to be. I'm just going to take the train back out to East Perth, get my helmet and then come back here. Alright, so we made it into the city, got my helmet back, got my camel bag. Now remember though, if you're going to take the train after Transwa, you actually need to keep your Transwa ticket. That's like your Trans-Perth ticket. I forgot to do that, but luckily the guy let me off. That was good. Now I'm just heading to a friend's place. We're going to stay there tonight. Alright, well the trip's over. I'm back in Perth, made it back safely. I'm at a friend's apartment. I'm going to stay here for a few nights before getting back to work for a little while. And I hope you guys enjoyed the trip. Thanks for coming along with me. If you've watched the whole series through to now, let me know what you think. Let me know if things that you liked about how I edited the videos, things that you didn't like would be awesome for some feedback. And yeah, I guess if you're still watching, then you probably enjoyed them. So yeah, that's good, satisfying. So yeah, make sure you hit thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and subscribe. There'll be more videos.